Dito kami sa Grand Mall. Bibili ng stuff para sa beach. Konti lang naman. Ito ng marang. 47.92. At 99 pesos. May update pala ako para sa inyo guys. Binigay niya ate to sa akin. Yung MK. Pero may dalang. I don't really know. Kami sa beach and kakatapos ko lang kumain. Sorry, I wasn't able to vlog the food before we attacked. Kasi ate at si Pai kumakain pa. Hi! Oh, very good. Di pa kami makaligo ni Pai kasi masyadong wavy. Masyadong harsh ang waves. Mahangin. Si Pai na sad sunod. Si Pai sunod. Si Pai na sad ilubong. Di ba kami makaligo ng dagat? It's so windy and harsh waves. You see that? So windy.
Unang number, G52.
Lahat.
Ba, walang G, walang G.
Size small.
Kaya nga pala ginawa ko gano'n para.
Wala na pwede. Kaya size
N36. G53.
size small pa rin yan.
I23.
Good evening guys. So kakatapos lang namin mag-chika-chika doon sa labas. It's now 11:26 PM and matutulog na ako. Actually magtutoothbrush pa ako and maghihilamos. But I just wanted to say good night to you all. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi concentrate ako sa bingo. Yung ate ko super swerte. Nanalo siya ng $40. Ako $10 lang. Isang beses lang ako nanalo. Plus yung iba, yung mga tita ko na, yung mga cousin ko na yung nanalo. It was really fun. And then after that, kumain lang kami ng ice cream and some pretzels. Siguro makikita kami ulit mag-relatives on Tuesday. So anyway, good night guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Happy Sunday! So today, aalis kami. Pupunta kami ng SM with my family. Kakakain lang namin ng breakfast. Yeah. Ngayon, may niluluto sila para pagbalik namin, may food kami. This is just my makeup of the day. Super simple lang kasi nagmamadali ako. Nagkamali nga ako sa eyeliner ko. Mas makapal to kasi dito. Anyway, that's okay. Nice hair!
Portable ka.
Dito na kami sa SM! Bye and family. nandun na yung tita ko. We just ate at Wilson. Hindi ko na na-vlog kasi gutom na kami. Kasi 1:30 na. Hello, pasig na kami. So, happy na. Happy na! Kasi busog na! We're looking for mirrors that will make us look good. Wala dito. So, walang gwapo si Kenneth. Kaya wala kaming kukunin. Yan lang. And sink. Sabi ko, pili kami niya, no? Pang exercise.
What in the world is that? Is that for the armpit sweat? What the heck? This is so funny.
It's so funny. It's so funny. Yes, it is.
Does that say lame mirror? Lame?
Happy Monday! Hello, everyone. So, I woke up at around almost 2 p.m. And now I'm watching Cry! Kasi si ate nagluluto. I'm sorry about my face. I haven't washed my face. I haven't brushed my teeth. I haven't done anything hygienic. I just ate a couple slices of Pie's oranges. Say hi, Pie! Very good. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today kasi natutulog pa yung mga tita and mama and papa ko. So, I'll catch you guys later kapag may exciting thing na mangyayari. Bye!
I just got my nails done. Ayan, super nice color. Pati din yung feet, but I can't show you them right now.
Hey guys, happy Tuesday! So today, pupunta kami sa bahay ng tita ko kasi may kain doon. Yeah. And OOTD, pasensya na andito ako sa madilim kasi nag-charge yung phone ko. So I'm just wearing this hoodie. It's a long top. And some leggings, and probably I'll just wear a pair of gold sandals. And this is my makeup of the day. Medyo hindi klaro. I just put my hair up in a bun kasi hindi ko siya sinuklay kasi tinatamad ako. On my lips pala, I have NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Antwerp. Uwi na kami. Pasensya na kung maingay yung electric fan. Pinagpapawisan ako kasi for init. Kakarating lang namin dito sa bahay. And I'm gonna remove my makeup. Pasensya na pala kung hindi ako nakapag-vlog in my tita's house. Nahihiya talaga ako mag-vlog. Nakapag-vlog ako konti pero yung walang sound. Just gonna remove my makeup using this Estee Lauder Gentle Eye Makeup Remover along with my baby wipes. Just gonna saturate the baby wipes with this makeup remover. Gusto ko tong makeup remover na to. Kasi ang dali lang na tatanggal ng eye makeup. So, bukas ng umaga, ihahatid namin yung tita ko kasi pupunta sila ng Jensen. Kasi may get together sila or reunion dun sa batch nila sa high school yata. From Mindanao kasi yung mom ko, guys. Born and raised in Mindanao. Gusto ko tong color ng nails ko. Kasi hindi obvious na nag-chip na siya. Kahit hindi pa naman siya nag-chip. I really like it. Hindi ko nga nakita kung ano yung name ng nail polish na to. Basta, it is from Chic. Pinili ko lang kasi dun sa tray ng manicurista. Minsan naiinis talaga ako magpa-manicure sa salon. Kasi sabi ko, ito yung color ko. Ma'am, ayaw mo ba mapa-gel? No? Ayaw ko. Kasi nakakasira ng kuko. Hindi nakakasira ng kuko yung gel namin. Kung hindi, ayaw ko. Tapos, nilalagyan na niya ako ng nail polish. Sabi niya, ayaw mo talaga ng gel? Anyway, ayaw ko nga ng gel. Tapos sabi niya, ito pa yung pinaka masaklap na nangyari. Magpapa-pedicure na ako. Sabi niya, ma'am, foot spa, 300 pesos lang, libre ng pedicure. Sabi ko, ayaw ko magpa-foot spa kasi super nakikiliti ako. Sabi niya, hinawakan pa niya yung sole ng foot ko. Sabi niya, oh, makapal na, kailangan na i-foot spa. Oh my gosh, ate. Are we that close? Asakit mo naman magsalita, ate. Ayaw ko nga ng foot spa kasi nakikiliti ako. Kahit nung hinawakan mo lang yung yung sole ng paa ko, nakikiliti na ako. Why must you hurt me like that? May pamangkin ako. He's super rude kasi yung tawag niya sa akin, Tita Pimple.
Tita Pimple. Tapos kanina sabi niya sa akin, Tita, where did all your pimples go? That's the power of makeup. Tapos nang ma-upload yung weekly vlog ko last week. Kaya lang, nung natapos siyang ma-upload, kaka-publish ko lang nung video ko na MT's video, which is like a pre-filmed video. Baka bukas ko na siya i-publish. In case you guys want to receive a shoutout from me, just leave me a shoutout request in the comment section below. Naririnig niyo ba ako? I will say goodbye now, good night, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye! Tignan niyo nga itong ginawa ng niece ko. Nilagyan niya nitong blush on yung lalagyan ng tubig ko. Oh my gosh. Ito yung nilagay niyo. Yung Sophie Magic Pink Cream. Parang nasisira na tong cellphone ko kasi ilang beses na siyang sunod-sunod na laging nahuhulog. Yung mataas talaga yung hulog niya. Huwag ka munang masira. Please, huwag ka munang masira. Buti nga talaga hindi pa nababasag yung screen niya. Pinalagyan ko kasi ng ng tempered glass niya. Para daw hindi madaling masira. That's why my phone is gold. Just in case anyone asks. Na-remember niyo ba na pinakita ko yung nag-try ako ng lip tattoo last week? Nagustuhan kasi ng tita ko. Tapos gusto niyang magdala sa US. So, ayun, nag-order ako online from Ink Heart Shop. Ayun, may iba pa akong in-order. And, ayun, so sabi ko, how much? Ganun. Tapos umalis pa kami. Kaya, nung pagbalik ko, doon ko lang nabasa yung sinabi niya. May ibibigay siya akin na gift. Sabi ni, I don't know if it's her name, Jacqueline, dahil daw pinapanood niya yung videos ko sa YouTube, bibigyan niya ako ng gift. Thank you so much, Jacqueline. Thank you so much. As in, appreciate ko talaga. And parang nung binabasa ko yun, parang naiiyak nga ako. As in, parang naiiyak talaga ako. Andun kasi ako sa kwarto ni Mama, tapos parang nabigla na lang siya na sinabi ko, oh! Sabi niya, ano meron? Ano nangyari sa'yo? So sabi ko, yun, kinento ko sa kanya. Sabi niya, oh! Bibigyan niya kasi ako ng Verdon. Sabi ni Mama, oh, anong bibigyan niya? Sabi ko, hair treatment. Sabi niya, baka nakita niya yung buhok mo damaged at saka dry. Grabe ka naman, Ma. I'm so happy. Thank you so much talaga. I will really say good night now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Happy Wednesday! Wala nang aking tita dito. Punta na sa Mindanao. So, it's just us now. So, siya na medyo madilim. I'm charging my phone as we speak again in this same place. And, hi, Lori Morante. Hi, Lori Morante. Hi! Hi, Lori. Hey guys, I'm now off to Gaisano Grand Mall to buy some medicine. Maintenance ni Mama, bibili ako. I actually tried the lipstick sealer today, pero I don't know about it. Okay ba siya para sa akin? Hindi ako naka-makeup today kasi tinatamad ako. Alright, so malapit na ako guys, and I will see you all later. Bye! Nagdadrive ako. Tapos na ako guys, and heto na ang mga gamot ni Mama. Super dami, diba? Lahat to gamot niya. Ito binili ko from Rose, and ito binili ko from the Generics Pharmacy. And then bumili din ako ng tinapay from Anita. So now it is already 3:55 PM. Uwi na tayo para makapag-snacks na tayo. Okay? I'll see you later. Hey guys, actually matutulog na ako ngayon, but may mga nabasa kasi ako sa video ko, yung haul video ko. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyo kasi talagang ang daming nag-comment ng mga suggestions nila for my acne problem, and thank you so much sa lahat ng tumutulong sa akin na nagsasuggest ng mga products na pwede kong gamitin to combat my pimples and pimple scars and whatnot. Thank you so much guys, and sa most recent vlog rin, thank you so much sa lahat na nag-comment na parang kina-comfort niyo ako, and yeah, dinalamayan niyo ako. Pero okay lang yun, isang gabi lang naman ako nalungkot kasi nakapag-usap na kami ng ate ko. Binigay niya rin yung isang wallet. Na-vlog ko yata yun na binigay niya yung Michael Kors na yellow na wallet. Kaya nang pagbigay niya nun, medyo hindi maganda yung pagkabigay niya. Pero okay na kami ngayon. Wala naman yun sa amin. Okay lang kami. Oh, by the way, pumunta pala si Kenneth dito kanina. Kaya lang hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi sinacharge ko tong phone ko and hindi siya ganun katagal dito sa bahay. Ilang oras lang siya, 2 hours lang yata or 2.5 hours. Kasi nagmamadali siya kasi aalis siya bukas. Pupunta siya ng Manila kasi may training sila. Babalik siya on a Saturday pa. So yeah,
Anyway, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hello, friends! Happy Thursday! Naglalaba ako. Ano bang bago? And I'd like to give a shout out to Anne of Fantastic TVs and hi to Marjorie Morales. Hi! Oh, hi to Chris Beeman, my favorite cousin from Texas. Hello! You found me! Tapos na yung nilalabhan ko, narinig ko na siyang tumunog. Beep, 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 beep. So, kailangan ko siyang isampay right now. So, I'll see you guys later. I'm filming a video! Yes, nagka-inspirasyon din na mag-film ng video. Hey guys, so I just finished filming 2 videos today. Yeah, I actually filmed my October Pasensya na kayo, medyo magulo. I actually filmed my October favorites video, and I don't know if you will actually be able to see this vlog first or that favorites video first. Pero tignan natin. I actually did something different for that favorites video para maiba naman tayo, di ba? And I literally just had this makeup on for like 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna remove it because I'm gonna go to sleep. It's already 12:50 a.m. so I should be sleeping right now. I'm actually going to have another haul up tomorrow. It's going to be my local makeup haul, so sana nakita mo na. Kung hindi nyo pa napanood, panoorin. So that's about it for today, guys. Pasensya na talaga, hindi ako masyadong nahulog, guys. May problema ako yung laptop ko. May problema siya. Nag-on off siya. Yung ganoon, parang nag-flip. Parang minsan nag-hang siya, tapos minsan kitlap. Ano bang Tagalog doon? Kasi parang nag-on off yung screen. And I don't know what to do. Wag mo nang masira, please. Ano ba? Ang dami namang problema. Kailangan pakitaan. Wala pa akong pera pambili ng bago. Oh my gosh. So yun. Chinarky lang yung mga hinain ko. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Sana matuloy kami ni Mama. Mag-grocery kami. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Bye! Happy Friday! So it's the last day of the vlog. And I woke up at around 10 a.m. So guys, kamusta naman ang buhay-buhay natin dyan? Ang akin, okay naman. Feeling ko hindi kami matutuloy ngayon ni Mama. Kasi parang masama yung pakiramdam niya. Nag-usap kami kanina. Higa nga muna. Hindi pa ako naghihilamos and nag-vlog na ako. Anyway, okay lang yan guys. Ngayon, mag-i-edit na lang ako ng first part nitong vlog para pagkatapos nitong araw na to, ito na lang day na to yung i-edit ko. And then, upload na tayo para mabilis tayo. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye! Uploading my October favorites. October 2015 favorites. Kaka-upload ko lang. And it's at 270 minutes remaining. Oh! Tumataas pa. Oh no! Hindi kasi ganun kalakas yung internet namin. Our internet has been crawling since may bagyo sa Luzon. That's okay. Okay lang. No problem. I just finished watching Crispy's Werewolf Halloween makeup tutorial. That one, it's so cool. Better watch it. So cool, as in I was in awe watching it. Today has just been a YouTube videos watching kind of day. So yeah, labas naman ako ng kwarto paminsan-minsan. Yay! Tapos na! October 2015 favorites, processing done. That face though. Gotta change the thumbnail, but tapos na siya, guys! So, ready to go na ang aking October favorites. It's now 5:15 p.m. So, mamaya ko na i-edit yung description box. Pag malapit ko na siyang i-publish. I actually finished editing my Naturactor review kanina. It's just going to be a mini review kasi nakikita ko marami nang nag-review nito. So, gagawin ko lang siyang mini review. And sana mabilis pa rin yung internet. Upload din siya ngayon. Ayan, okay naman. Kaka-upload ko lang and nag 1% na siya. 115 minutes remaining. So, okay na okay. So now, I am going to be washing my face brushes na ginamit ko kahapon or last night. Nung nag-film ako, i-wash ko yung face brushes. And isasali ko na lang to yung eye brushes ko and my spoolie. Eto lang naman sila, konti lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lang naman. So, andito ako sa CR namin ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo yung ginagamit ko to wash my brushes. I actually washed the face brushes twice para sure na walang excess makeup done and walang dirt and bacteria and whatever. So, first, I just use this Delon Baby Dream Bath in lavender scent. And yung initial washing ko. And yung sunod, I just use my shampoo, just a regular shampoo. Tresemme Platinum Strength Shampoo. Ito kasi yung hindi ko masyadong ginagamit, so I just use it for my brushes. And let's do this. Hey guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo, but I did not wash my hair, so yeah. Might have black in my teeth, like my lipstick. So I bought a black lipstick. And it was really like a very creamy and it looked kind of glossy on my lips. So I blotted it with some tissue paper. And this is the effect that I got. I totally don't like it. Nawala yung pigment, so yeah. Anyway, that's fine. I'm not gonna wear black lipstick all the time anyway. I just thought that it was a cool idea. I would have wanted something matte, but it's okay. And that's about it, guys. So I don't think I really have anything else to say for today. I'm gonna end this weekly vlog right now. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel to see more vlogs and more beauty videos. A lot of reviews are coming this month or next month. A lot of reviews and some makeup tutorials, but literally I have a lot of reviews and I'm gonna have another haul up sometime soon, so I hope you watch out for that. And by the way, if you want to receive a shout out from me, just leave your shout out requests in the comment section below, and for sure i-shout out ko kayo. Walang problema dyan. I love doing shout outs, you all know that. I'm gonna say goodbye now. Thank you all so much for watching and I hope to see you next week. Bye!